Good morning, students. Now it's the time for your chapter 5th literature English period. And the title of chapter 5th is When Life Came to a Standstill. This is a true inspiring story of a girl, Priti Srinivasan, who is an active, sporty person, and in a flash of a second, the life comes to a halt. Her life turned upside down in an unexpected way. It was 11th July 1998. A group of college goers were returning from Puducherry to Chennai. In the way they stayed at a private beach for enjoyment. 18 years old Priti Srinivasan jumped into sea, but she get unbalanced in receding waves. But she was a swimmer from the age of 3, so she tried to swim towards the shore but get a split shock sensation, and then she realized that she cannot move. She held her breath and was rescued by her friends. After taking first aid, she was taken to the hospital of Puducherry in ambulance, where she got a neck collar and sent to Chennai for further analysis. Priti had a keen interest in cricket from the age of 4. Even she was the only girl who attended cricket coaching camp, which was for 300 boys. This was awkward for her, but she was a very good batsman and make a place of her own among these boys. At the age of 8, she played for Tamil Nadu women's cricket team. She was captain of under 19 Tamil Nadu cricket team and able to give the only victory of her team in 1997. She was also a champion swimmer, got first in state in 50-meter breaststroke. But this all was vanished in 1 second in that fateful day. She had to accept the bitter truth of the life that she had to spend the rest of life as a completely paralytic patient. She underwent so much pain, but this brave girl was ready to fight with her whole soul. With her parents' love and support, she would be able to accept this bitter truth. Her father went to all universities for admission for bachelor, but these universities are not disabled friendly universities. These universities have their own limitations. They won't accept a disabled girl. Her father brought books and all study material at home for her study, and in this way Priti continued her study even she couldn't earn a degree. On that fateful day, it took 4 hours to reach for proper treatment from Puducherry to Chennai. Also, she was misdiagnosed, means got wrong treatment at Puducherry. If she got proper treatment, maybe the condition will be different. Priti wanted to do something for alike people. With her mother's help, she started an NGO named Soul Free, where which works for disabled women. She formed a new meaning in her life. She was very sad with the conditions of the disabled women who were treated like a burden in their families. She wanted to work for such women so that they lead a life with dignity. She started to paintings with mouth and poster designing after few months of mishap. She designed the logo for Soul Free. She designed the logo for Soul Free with joy and satisfaction. She completed her bachelor's in medical sociology. From last few years, she is writing, editing, and reviewing professionally. She wants to motivate and inspire others. She wants to spread awareness about spinal cord injuries and their prevention's better treatment. She is awarded by the Kalpana Chawla Award for Courage and Daring Enterprise on 71st Independence Day celebration at Fort St. George in Chennai.